Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in the beautiful Nashville studios today. I wish you were here. If you're ever in Nashville, come down and see us. But today we're going to talk more about our Slushies, the Slushy followers, the different color followers. They've been huge. Really, the red seems to be one of the most popular. The original blue is very popular, and then there's a royal blue or a slushy blue, and then there's the purple. So we've got those four colors available. I mean, we're killing it. People love them, and it's fun. And people say, why? Well, why not, okay? But here is the latest slushie that we just developed. It's a glow-in-the-dark slushie. I'm going to charge them up a little bit. Just glow in the dark like they do. We're going to go ahead and show you the fact that these new slushies, these new followers, will glow in the dark. Ah, check that out, huh? Is that fun? Okay, so the glow-in-the-dark slushies, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install these again, just in case you missed the video on the other colors. They're simple, you know, it's easy, it's fast. You have your magazine, Gen 4, Gen 5, Gen 3, doesn't matter. The followers are basically all the same. And you use your MDT, which is the magazine disassembly tool, or some other punch to get into that little hole on the bottom of the magazine to be able to remove the base plate. Now, some people have trouble with this, so be very aware of the fact that you have to depress that insert plate to get it out of the way, and that's what the MDT does. And then the MDT, it works just like a can opener, okay? And again, you can do that with a punch, and I will tell you the first time you do it is very difficult. So get in there like that. Now we're just going to pop it down, boom, and I'm going to hold it and keep my thumb over top of there so that the insert plate doesn't go flying, doesn't hit me in the face. You probably should wear safety glasses. I guess the lawyers want me to say that. So then we just can thumb this off, and again, being very aware that that insert plate is under spring pressure, and it will fly away unless you capture it with your thumb. It's not heavy spring pressure, but it's enough that would be dangerous. So there it is, and there is the spring, the magazine spring, and what they call the insert plate and the base plate. Now, this is a Gen 5 base plate. It's a little different because it sticks out a little further. The base plates on Gen 3, 4 magazines and Gen 5 magazines are interchangeable. The insert plates are interchangeable, okay? The big difference on a Gen 5 magazine is that they use an orange follower. And there's the follower, there's the spring. Spring is captured on the follower, or the follower is captured on the spring. And so we just pop it right off, just with a little twist, just like that. And that's it. There's the top of the magazine spring, and there's the bottom of the magazine spring. I'll put the orange one off to the side, and I'm going to go ahead now and insert this guy right here. And it kind of gives a nice little click, and it's captured. And that's it. And then you get to replace it. There's only one way it's going to go in. If you try to put it in backwards, it really, you know, it's not going to work. So come into the right way, and there it is. It sits up just like it's supposed to. Now, to insert this, here's how we do this. We go ahead and get that spring compressed, right? And again, you keep your thumb down on it, right? And then you go ahead and put your insert plate right over top of that guy. And the insert plate is kind of like a tombstone shape, and there's a square edge and there's a round edge, and the square edge goes into this square spot. And once you get that spring in there, into the magazine body, then you basically take your base plate and you put it on and get it started. And, you know, there's going to be two little tabs there. You just have to go over top those tabs, you know, kind of force it over those tabs, and that's it. And that's the installation of the slushie, the glow-in-the-dark slushie, which is brand new for us. We've got other colors available, but glow-in-the-dark is kind of fun, kind of different. And, hey, if you're looking for something new for your Glock, we've got it here at the GlockStore. I'm Lenny McGill. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.